This year, I took a pretty serious step back from the comp scene. I wanted to focus more on traveling, filming. It just brought this whole other insane aspect of just pure fun. Getting to ride laps wherever you are with your friends, I just don't see anything that tops that. If it's up in Retallick with Charlie and JP and Tatum, you know, or if it's back in Breck with those guys. Either way, we seem to have the most fun when we're having a little session together wherever we are. You know, I think you ride the best and I think you have the most fun when you're with your best friends and you have people pushing you, and no matter if you're behind the camera or not. But by focusing on having fun and focusing on the trips that I was going on, I had the most fun year of my life.
Moving up the cabin floor, there's 5 empty bottles and a dead outlaw. Well, what the hell am I supposed to do with 5 empty bottles and a dead outlaw? So I ran through the woods, ran through the plains, ran through the rubble, and I ran through the rain. Up to the hills, into the mountains, down to the river, sail off to sea. Ran through the woods, ran through the flames, ran through the rubble, and I ran through the rain. Up to the hills, into the mountains, down to the river, sail off to sea. Moonshine through the twisted pain, puddles of blood in an open wound, loaded steel and loose screw. Guess I did what I had to do. So I ran to the woods, ran to the plains, ran to the rubble, and I ran to the rain. Up to the hills, into the mountains, down to the river, sail off to sea. Ran to the woods, ran to the plains, ran to the rubble, and I ran through the rain. It's been a lonesome, sad longing for you, longing for you. Well, I gave you all I had, gave you all I got now. Where the fuck am I? Guess I'm just a damn fool, can't look you in the eye. Guess I'm just a damn fool.